Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Riddhi Makwana. I hope you people are doing good and taking care of your health. The topic of today's video is bone marrow transplantation in kids with sickle cell disease. Bone marrow transplantation, which is popularly known as BMT, is currently the only known cure for sickle cell disease. It involves replacing the abnormal stem cells which are residing in the bone with the healthy stem cells which are received from an eligible brother or a sister. In other words, it is also popularly known as stem cell transplant. So what is a bone marrow? A bone marrow is a sponge-like tissue which is present within the bones, which acts like a factory or produces the healthy stem cells. So the stem cells produces the red cells, the platelets and the white cells. In people with sickle cell disease, the bone marrow have stem cells that produce the red cells abnormally, which contains defective sickle cell hemoglobin. So, how does a patient receive the bone marrow transplant? So, a person receives a bone marrow transplant which creates the space for the healthy stem cells. So, in this procedure, the healthy stem cells are injected into the bone marrow of the patient. So, the initial and abnormal bone marrow or the initial and abnormal stem cells which are suppressed by chemotherapy and the healthy ones are injected. So, the recipient who is involved receives the healthy stem cells via transfusion through a vein similar to a blood transfusion and no surgery is involved. So, what is the criteria or why is the child a candidate for a transplantation? So, first, there are complications with sickle cell disease such as stroke, then there's frequent pain episodes, then there's frequent chest crisis, and there's abnormal MRI or ultrasound of the brain. And if your child who is suffering from sickle cell disease has a relevant donor, for example, has a sibling who is sharing the same stem cell picture, so he is an eligible candidate for a bone marrow transplant. And someone like a brother or a sister who has a closely matching bone marrow is a plus point. So many of the patients have this question, does the sibling or does the brother or sister only can help as a donor for bone marrow transplant? So researches are going on and they are saying that they'll advance to receive the other bone marrows as well. But for now, till date, only the brother or the sister is a adequate choice for the as a donor, because their bone marrow is closely related. So I hope this information is helpful. This information is brought to you by Cancer Rounds. You can visit our Facebook page or our website to know more. Have a good day. Thank you.